Hello, and welcome to this training program. This course is proudly brought to you by GIQS, the Global Institute of Quantity Surveying. We provide high-quality, industry-focused training to help professionals advance their careers. Thank you for choosing GIQS as your learning partner. In this lesson, we will introduce PlanSwift. We will cover what it is, who uses it, and what you will learn in this course. PlanSwift is a digital takeoff and estimating software. It is widely used in the construction industry. Quantity surveyors, estimators, engineers, and contractors use it to measure drawings accurately. It helps prepare quantities faster. It also reduces manual errors. With PlanSwift, you can perform counts, linear measurements, area measurements, and segment measurements. All of this is done directly from your project drawings. Who is this course for? This course is ideal for quantity surveyors, estimators, civil engineers, and project managers. It is also suitable for anyone involved in building measurements or digital estimating workflows. Whether you are a beginner or a professional looking to refine your skills, this course will guide you step by step. By the end of this course, you will be confident in navigating the PlanSwift interface. You will be able to set up projects and manage drawings. You will perform accurate measurements and use productivity tools. You will also integrate your takeoff results with Excel. In addition, you will learn useful shortcuts and practical tips. These skills will help you work faster and more efficiently. Let's begin and explore the powerful capabilities of PlanSwift together.